What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we are over here at a new auction, IAAI, Insurance Auto Auctions. I'm sure you guys have heard of them, but I have never done a walk around here. And big shout out to not just TK, but to IAAI's corporate headquarters for allowing us to come out here and record this today. I think you guys are going to enjoy this. We get some new content at a new location. This is here in Oklahoma City off of I-35. And let's walk around and see what they've got. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I'm walking around now. The thing is we got here on a bad day. The manager just told us that they've got very few cars out here right now because the auction was literally yesterday. So they don't have a whole lot in their sale lot ready to go. But these on this side are all run and drive. Those on that side are all non-runners. So, I don't know, there's a little Ford Explorer Sport Track. Took a light hit in the rear. It's not too bad. Okay, maybe a little more than a light hit, but that's not horrible. That's not horrible. So everything over here is listed as a run and drive. See if they got anything like really cool or unique. That's what I'm always looking for. And there's nothing wrong with the regular cars like all these, but I'm always out looking, trying to find something different, man. I don't want to be a channel that's about the same thing all the time. I like things that are a little bit different. Maybe a little bit odd. There's a G8. That's going to be a V6. Yeah, that's just a regular G8. A nice Tundra right there. They got an Expedition over there. That's well, not a G-Wagon, I guess. That's a G4 something, right? Kind of like a minivan. You got a Mercury Mariner. Lincoln Navigator. Some Hondas. Chrysler 300C. I'm always down for a 300C. What do you think? I don't care for it, really. Nah, this one's got rear end damage. We're probably gonna have to walk back across over here and take a look over there, because I think that's where we're gonna have a lot of carnage, a lot of non-runners over there, and those are the ones that probably gonna find something interesting in. And those are the ones that are going to go cheaper, I'd imagine, because if all this stuff runs and drives, it's a little Isuzu pickup truck. That's not bad. Not exactly different and unique, but you don't see many of these anymore. This one's actually pretty dang clean. Oh, it's a stick shift too? Wow, this thing's got 165,000 miles on it. It doesn't look like it. Let's go ahead and try to start this one up. I didn't bring my booster pack with me because I obviously don't have permission from them to use that, but I'll talk to them about that and see if, maybe we can do a little more walk-arounds over here at IAAI. No check engine light either? Really? Oh, this thing is cool. Let's put it in gear, see if it wants to move. Gently. Yeah, sure thing, reverse. It's got the e-brake on. Yeah, she goes in gear just fine. That's wild. That's wild. I would bid on this. This is cool. This is cool. I like this little truck. I have to see if there's like major damage to the other side or something. I can't imagine why it's here. It's a nice little truck, man. Gates timing belt was done at 145,000 miles. So the time belt was just done on this. I'll bet this was an old person's truck. Man, this thing is
clean?
Yeah. Like, I thought this was a wreck. It's not. And the time belt was done 20,000 miles ago.
Runs and drives?
Yeah. It's got new tires all the way around. I think this is going to be like a charity type truck. Yeah, it's a stick shift, no check engine lights, nothing. This is perfect.
Nice.
What do you guys think of the little Isuzu? I'm going to put this on my watch list. Comment down below. So I want to show you guys something that I think is actually really cool about IAAI. They have a price calculator in here. So let's say we're looking at this 95 Isuzu, right? The pre-bid is right now at $225, and it's on my watch list. But down here, it has a cost calculator. So let's say that's not what's supposed to happen. Let me try that again. Let's try it again. Let's pull up the little Isuzu here. Okay, you go down and there's a cost calculator right here, okay? So let's say I know that I'm gonna bid $1,200 on this. I can view the estimate and it's gonna show me out the door what I can expect to pay. So 1,200 bucks is what I'm expecting to bid, and out the door would be $1,548. That's not bad. That's actually very reasonable auction fees right there. And it gives you a breakdown of what everything is going to cost. So the app is really cool. So if you're going to sign up for IAA, they are different. They're different than like some of the other places. Instead of having to pay like a $600 deposit, it's 200 bucks. $200 a year. That's it. That gives you all the buying power that you're going to need. You don't have to add any deposits to it. Nothing like that. Just straight up 200 bucks, and you're signed up. And you get the best deals that you're going to find here. So far, I'm loving it, man. I really am. I'm loving it. IA is pretty cool. All right, so let's make sure we're not going to get run over here. Look both ways. All of these over here are non-runners. They're basically the enhanced style vehicles. And I don't know what they got over here, but I figure we'll go over here at least have a look. I already see a convertible. Oh, I see a Charger over there too. All right. Got us a cute little Audi with a little bit of front end damage. Little cabriolet. Oh, never mind. The front end damage is a little more significant. I saw a Challenger over here that I want to go look at. Let's take a look at this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Scratches. Undercarriage damage, so that's good to know. A little bit of damage right there. Man, it's a clean car. It's not like severely wrecked that I can see, but it does say undercarriage damage, so that's something to kind of take into consideration. Oh, it's hard to get in here. My goodness. It's got power. Wait, this one runs. Well, don't tell anybody I said that. Yeah, this runs. Does it go into gear? This is listed as a non-runner. Can't do that. Can't do that. So traction control, ABS, it does go into gear. I mean, what more do you want than that? Well, it's hard to get in and out of this one. Now, this looks like a badass car, but I'm pretty sure it's just going to be a little V6 under the hood. But that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, a little 3.6 VVT. It's still got coolant, so that's good. It's running. Yeah, not bad, guys. Not bad at all. I like this one. Here is, I have to look at these. I can't help but look at a Panther. Every time I walk by one, I got to have another one. This one's Charitable Adult Rides. I have bought many cars from them, and those are great people. Most of the cars I've gotten from Charitable Adult Rides have been in excellent shape. So many of them are older people. You don't want to speculate what happened. You know, either they stopped driving, got put in a nursing home, or maybe they just passed away. But these things, you can see all the tires are in excellent shape. All tires are Firestones, so it's got a good set of tires. It's very clean. It's got all the keys, tons of key fobs. 205,000 miles. Wow.
Someone was driving it.
Oh, man. Let's fire this one up. Man, these are great cars. Fired right up. Air conditioning. Turn it on vent and turn on max AC. No warning lights on at all, guys. None. Cold air. It's got the little digital gauges up there. Full tank of gas. Full tank of gas. Let's put it in gear. Right into reverse. And right into drive. By the way, the AC is ice cold. Air conditioning works in it. It sounds great. Does this window work? Yes, that window works. Oh, it just died. Just died on us. These are going to be clean titles, of course. There she goes. There she goes. Oil change sticker right there for 208,000 miles. So it just had an oil change done. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. Pop the hood. Take a look back here. It's got a pillow in it back here. Yeah, this is probably some older person's car. It's the body and interior are in amazing condition. See what this 208,000 mile engine looks like.
Doesn't leak, brand new belt.
Got a new water pump, new belt. It's got a new tensioner pulley. Air conditioning is cold.
No balcony.
This thing is perfect. This is going on the list, guys. So before I get too carried away, I wanted to show you guys, they actually have videos. If you see in their app, you see the play button next to their engine. Check this out. You can click that, and it should show you that the engine runs. Let me turn the sound up. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's actually showing the engine running in the app. And then you just click the little get out of it icon. And there you go. Nobody's bid on it. Yes, this is on my watch list. Just walk through a few more of their cars, and unfortunately, I'm going to get out of here. I got things to do. Here's a Dodge Charger RT Hemi. See what we got here. Claim, State Farm. Yeah. Okay. I didn't see much about it. Obviously, this one took a nasty front-end collision. The rest of it looks really, really good, though. What else we got over here? We got a Malibu with rear end damage. Lots of, I mean, average cars, guys. Like, this is Oklahoma. This is all you're going to find out here, man. Like, seriously. Oklahoma, we don't get a ton of really interesting cars, but we do get a few. Here's another charitable one. We do get a few old school kind of classic cars that most of you have probably forgotten about by now. I'm going to scan this Taurus in too. Tauruses are great. Little Econo boxes. Put that on my watch list real quick. There we go. Yeah, this app is insane. I love it. How's the paint? The paint is peeling all over. Get a closer look of it there and there. The rear end isn't great. It's got a little ding there. So this probably won't go for a whole lot. But that doesn't mean it's not a good car. You know what I mean? Just because it's not pretty doesn't mean it's not a good vehicle. The fact it's a Ford Taurus means it's not a good vehicle. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. This will be the last one. Then I got to get out of here. Let's see if this fires up. I'm betting no. It did. No radio. It did. It fired right up. What are the miles on her? Where are the miles? Where does it show any of this stuff? Driver's door ajar. No, that didn't make it happy. Closed door reset. The air conditioning does work. Let's put it in gear. Right into reverse. Brakes are good. Right into drive. Let's make sure the doors are closed because it's complaining about that. If there's wind noise, I do apologize, guys. Oh, it took a little bump over here. It's got a little damage here. That right there. I didn't see that before. Otherwise, though, did the hood not come open? No. I think this car is just screaming for me to not buy it. There we go. Let's try to close this door. And it says left rear door is ajar, so that's obviously not correct. So I don't know if we're going to be able to see the miles. It says you have to close the door. Okay, well, we know that it starts and runs. We know that it moves. It doesn't sound bad at all. It's another one of the charity vehicles. Oh, the miles are up here. Shows to have 149,000 miles on the odometer. It's actually running really well. Really well. Everything under here looks pretty good too. And this is sitting in the non-running section, so, you know, who knows? You might be able to get a little bit better deal on it. With cold air conditioning, it can make somebody a great car. And comes with free CDs, man. Free CDs, look at that. Whoa, the radio came on all by itself. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you to IAAI and TK for setting all this up so we can come out here and check it out. I'm really interested to do future videos and work with IAAI because truthfully, listen guys, you should never put all your eggs in one basket. This is another basket that you can pick from. So you may find some better deals here. One week, maybe you won't find any good deals at Copart. Maybe you find good deals here. Another week, maybe you won't find deals here. You find deals somewhere else. So I'm always looking for different avenues to check out and pick up cars from. And this is just another one. So I'm really excited to do work with these guys in the future. Thank you for letting me come out here today. And for all of you, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Stay safe out there, buddy. Comment, like, thumbs down if you don't like, whatever. I'll catch you all very soon in the next one.